Welcome to TAPCO's video series. In this video, we'll take a look at BlinkerSign flashing LED signs. The Federal Highway Administration and its predecessors have for decades recognized the need for more visible signage. Despite advancements in sign retroreflectivity and other improvements, traffic scenarios with higher crash rates continue to challenge traffic safety officials. In 1999, TAPCO integrated solar and LED technologies into BlinkerSign LED signs. Installed quickly and easily, blinker signs alert drivers to potentially dangerous conditions. The highly respected Texas Transportation Institute studied TAPCO's BlinkerStop LED stop signs for their effect on incomplete stops and for the number of vehicles moving through stop intersections without significantly slowing, known as blow-throughs. TTI found that blinker stops reduced blow-throughs by 52.9% and reduced incomplete stops by a substantial 28.9%. With blinker stops' effectiveness clearly established, TAPCO expanded production to include other LED-enhanced traffic signage, including pedestrian and school zone crossing signs. The Vermont Agency of Transportation installed and studied BlinkerSign pedestrian crossing signs at mid-block crossings, similar to those shown here. VTrans found traffic yielding to pedestrians waiting at the crossings increased from 56% with traditional signs to 80% when blinker signs were used. DayViz LEDs make blinker signs the brightest LED-embedded traffic signs on the market. AutoBright LED management circuitry continuously senses ambient light levels and automatically adjusts the LED brightness for optimal visibility in all weather conditions, day and night. Thus, the LEDs are brightest in full sun, and as ambient light levels decrease, the LEDs dim to prevent overglow on the sign legend. AutoBright circuitry also manages the power usage, providing an industry-best 30-day autonomy. BlinkerSign installations are simple and low cost without the need for grid power, trenching, or electrician to install. They can be installed easily onto a new post and many existing sign posts. Since they are solar powered, they can be located practically anywhere and relocated if desired. BlinkerBeam wireless radio controllers provide wireless activation of multiple blinker signs and other ITS devices at a range of up to 1,000 feet or up to 1 mile with an external antenna. Solar-powered BlinkerBeam controllers allow traffic engineers, school officials, fire and police personnel to wirelessly and remotely activate ITS devices whenever needed, even in remote applications where wired connectivity would be cost prohibitive. Blinker signs are technically smarter too. They can flash 24/7, they can be programmed to operate on time clocks, and they can be wirelessly activated by active and passive triggering devices, including push buttons, key fobs, and motion detectors. Multiple signs can be synchronized at programmable intervals. Blinker signs can be integrated into intelligent transportation systems. BlinkerSign LED signs meet all FHWA requirements as specified in MUTCD Section 2A07. LEDs are embedded into the sign's perimeter or legend, matching its physical size, shape, and color, so drivers are alerted to the condition well before they can even read the legend. TAPCO has incorporated LEDs into driver feedback radar signs that flash when triggered by overspeed vehicles. A study done using TAPCO-made blinker feedback signs showed a 14% increase in speed limit compliance and a reduction in average speed of over 5 miles per hour. TAPCO produces solar-powered sequential dynamic curve warning systems featuring BlinkSync wireless device activation. A radar-activated controller commands the series of BlinkerSign chevron LED signs to flash sequentially, thus warning drivers and guiding them through the curve. These blinker chevron systems are especially effective in locations where traffic approaches a curve at a rate too fast for safe navigation, including blind curves and mountainous areas, as well as in those regions with frequent fog, rain, or snowfall. BlinkerSign wrong-way driver warning systems are helping to mitigate the occurrence of crashes, injuries, and deaths caused by wrong-way drivers. A radar-activated blinker beam controller on off-ramps or other access points commands one or more BlinkerSign wrong-way LED signs to flash, thus warning drivers traveling in the wrong direction to stop before they proceed into oncoming traffic. TAPCO's BlinkLink over-the-air application is available with modems to monitor and control blinker signs and many other ITS devices. With a BlinkLink subscription, traffic managers can monitor their devices 24/7 and program both email and text alerts based on a multitude of device conditions. BlinkerSign flood warning signs can be activated by a sensor detecting rising water or remotely by transportation authorities. Blinker signs provide advance notice to drivers, thereby allowing them to turn around, preventing stallouts and traffic backups, as well as potential crashes, injuries, and fatalities. BlinkerSign speed limit signs remind drivers to reduce their speed to posted limits. They can be radar activated or can be programmed to flash 24/7 or dusk to dawn. Blinker signs in advance of and at railroad crossings warn approaching drivers, enabling them to reroute if needed rather than jamming intersections. Portable and fixed mount work zone blinker signs help ensure the safety of construction and maintenance crews day and night and are far less costly to operate than other active devices. Wildlife crossing blinker signs can be triggered by detectors, or they can be activated manually during migration periods, either remotely or on-site. Solar powered, they can be installed even in isolated locations. While there is no single solution to making roads safer and more accessible for all road users, TAPCO's blinker signs utilize brilliant LEDs to enhance traffic safety with an unlimited number of sign types and legends. If you have any questions or you'd like more information on solar LED solutions, please check out TAPCO's website at www.tapconet.com or contact us toll-free at 1-800-236-0112. We look forward to helping you take the fast lane to your traffic safety solutions.